Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be swapping a battery in this BMW remote key. Today you're going to need a 2032 battery. These are available in most stores. Let's pop that to one side. You're also going to need a small screwdriver. Okay, it's not too bad to do this one. Let's just double check this remote is the same as yours before we start. Now if you flip it over on the back, there's a button there. You push that in, that button there, and then just slide the back down slightly, and this releases, a little bit stiff coming off this, it just releases the back off the chrome part, brushed silver, and in here this is where our battery is. So if we flip this over, this is your emergency key. Should you not be able to get in with your remote, this emergency key will clip out of here. The lock varies from model to model, so that's something you need to check, but that will get you in if the remote fails. So we just turn it round and then just put the screwdriver lightly in there, and it just slides out that little drawer the key's held into there, and the battery is placed in positive side down into the holder. So if we just take the holder out, there's your positive side, the smooth side. Negative side always has a domed edge. And if you look on there, it does say positive on the little tray it sits in. So we'll get the new battery and we'll sit that into there, positive side down, just clips in. Just be careful putting it back in. It has to go in the same way it came out. Just clip that in nice and tightly. When you put this back on, it can be a little bit fiddly, but just hook it in on the bottom and it should just clip like that back into place, and that's it, job done on your BMW remote key. Hope that was helpful for you today. Please check out our other videos, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.